From the Tools panel, click and hold the Perspective Selection tool to select the Perspective Grid tool. The perspective grid is displayed. Notice the cube displays the active perspective grid to which the objects are aligned. The color-coded squares depict the position of the grids. The blue square depicts the grid to the left and the orange square depicts the grid to the right. Next, click the Perspective Selection tool from the group to select the objects. Click and drag the objects to the blue-colored perspective grid. Next, resize the object by clicking and dragging the handle. This object will now act as a wall for the building. Similarly, select the next object and drag to align it to the same perspective grid. This shape will act as the entrance. Now, to create a window, select the next object and drag to align it to the same perspective grid. This has been done for you. Click on the adjacent square to select the next perspective grid. Once selected, the rest of the objects will be aligned to this grid. Similarly, select the remaining objects one after the other to align it to the adjacent orange-colored grid. This has been done for you. Click the Exit button to turn off the perspective grid.